Hello everyone, this is Tara Mariam Thomas from Access Language School. Welcome back to a new lesson. I keep telling my students to keep reading and keep practicing English. But then, how do you do it? Well, that's what I'm here to help you guys with some tips that would improve your English language. So, some basics some changes on a daily basis would definitely help you to improve your English language. The first tip is change the language of your phone and computer to English. If you end up changing your language in the operating system to English, this is going to help you a lot more. You can learn new words, but if you're a beginner, you'll be having some difficulty at the beginning, but eventually you learn more and you'll be getting new words to your vocabulary. And the third one is, as you know, in this we people we use Facebook and Twitter so much, and the optional language will be your native language and English language. Instead of choosing native language, switch to English language. The second tip is read and watch news in English. This will change your listening habit and this will improve your listening habit too. Here, when you read and watch English news, you'll get two benefits, that is listening to English and reading to English. Being informed about the world is actually a great habit, is it? Yes. And reading and listening to news, it stays updated, it's a good habit. The third tip is listen to English music and take down the lyrics. Here, when you do this, in fact, this will also help you to get the words out of your mouth. So this improves your English and you'll be if you like the music, you'll of course learn the lyrics also. So you'll learn new words and it makes perfect. The fourth tip is read children's book and watch their cartoons. This will help you to listen and take down the words, the simple words that is so easy, that the children's are accessible. So this helps you to improve your English and get new words that is so easy. The fifth tip is build a book. Build a book that is just for yourself and that should be in English. Write down what all happens in your day. So this builds your words. You will get new words that's your own and you can search for words that you need. So this builds your vocabulary and you can improve your English. And the sixth tip is find a partner to speak English with. Actually, practicing makes everything better, right? So practice English day by day. Speak to a person, even if it goes wrong, just go ahead.